Welcome to this video on the architecture and utility of smartphone AI engines. We'll explore the complex systems behind modern on-device artificial intelligence. Smartphone intelligence is evolving rapidly, moving from traditional predictive tasks toward autonomous execution, with generative AI at the core of current development. Local machine learning relies on a critical intersection of hardware, software, and intent, allowing AI tasks to run directly on your smartphone. The architecture behind this relies on three pillars: the neural processing unit for math, unified memory for high-bandwidth data, and a power-efficient sensing hub. NPUs are specialized cores designed to accelerate complex matrix math, providing the necessary horsepower for advanced AI features right on your device. Small language models, or SLMs, are optimized for smartphones. They allow for instant, private processing that avoids the latency and costs associated with cloud-based models. AI also enhances sensory data. Through tools like ProVisual engines, audio erasers, and SuperZoom, smartphones can now intelligently rebuild and refine your media. Cognitive assistance features further remove friction by handling tasks like live interpretation, transcription, and contextual search without ever leaving your device. Predictive algorithms act as a background manager, dynamically allocating memory and battery resources to ensure your device stays performant while minimizing power drain. Security remains a priority. Hardware vaults and trusted execution environments ensure your personal data is protected by keeping processing local and encrypted. We are shifting toward intent-based interfaces. Instead of manually navigating apps, AI agents can now understand your goal and execute tasks autonomously. Concepts like the T-phone look toward an appless future, where a conversational AI interface handles tasks like reservations and scheduling directly. However, this growth brings challenges, including hardware limitations, increased e-waste from rapid device turnover, and potential user over-reliance on AI agents. The modern AI stack is a pyramid. Hardware provides the engine, software handles the logic, and the interface connects it all to human intent. In closing, AI is transforming smartphones from simple content consumption tools into autonomous agents, potentially leading us toward a future of ambient computing.